Guangdong Foday Automobile Co., Limited, trading as Foday, is an automotive manufacturing company based in Guangdong, China. With roots going back to 1988, it used to be known as Guangdong Fudi Automobile Co., Limited. Its principal products are vehicles, primarily pickup trucks and SUVs, automotive parts and stampings. Its products have been sold in various countries under the Fudi and Foday brands. Products: Foday Explorer SUV, Foday Explorer III SUV, Foday Landfort SUV, Foday Explorer 6 SUV, launched October 2010, Foday Lion Pickup, Foday Lion F16 Pickup, Foday Lion F22 Pickup, Foday Little Superman Pickup. Guangdong Foday Automobile Co., Limited, Foday. 1988, Guangdong Fudi Automobile Co., Limited. Foday.